Okay, thank you very much. I just want to test is everything. Can you hear me? Great, great. Okay. Nice to meet you guys. I'm Felix from OpenCoord. So OpenCoord is an AI company that develops AI 3D engine. So it is designed for full stage 3D content generation. So what we do is it can transform text, image into different forms of 3D content, which provides infrastructure for both Web 2 and Web 3 3D content development. It defines application in game, animation, marketing, and industrial design. So before I jump into the details, and let's watch a short video about how OpenCoord AI 3D engine works. Yeah, and in the previous video, you can see how OpenCoord used the natural language to create 3D world and AI NPC, which are only the few elements of the many things we can do and we can create with. So unlike video or movie production, creating 3D content is a more complex process, which always start with idea brainstorm, validation, storytelling, design, concept art, prototype, production, testing, iteration, a lot more. So every step requires professionals and great investment to finish. So OpenCoord AI Engine offers a unique 3D creation solution. That means it assists creators to use natural language to generate and refine their content across different development stages. So creators could integrate OpenCoord into their existing workflow without changing anything. And they can use our web terminal or API to create. And it supports different formats of input and output, which covers most of the developers' demands, such as a design doc, concept art, 3D map, animation, or they can just create a whole game from scratch. So for traditional development, an average 3D game costs $1 million investment and years to complete. So it comes with great risk because of so long development cycle, high cost, uncontrollable ROI, and low scalability on production. So with OpenCoord, each creation costs less than $10 and 30 minutes to finish. So it optimizes the development process and help developers achieving a market success with a much lower cost and a higher speed. So we can accelerate the development speed over 75%, scale the efficiency, and reduce over 90% of the production cost comparing with traditional development method. So for business customers, we provide a subscription-based API service, and they can integrate OpenCoord AI into their existing workflow and without changing any tools and software they get used to. And they can also access their own database. And meanwhile, we also offer a simplified product for individual users using on the application mobile device, which features AI creation, social gameplay experience, and users could just use AI to turn their favorite movie, novel, or life story into the game world. So during the earlier product testing, OpenCoord have demonstrated the ability to meet the diverse demand from various groups for both business and individuals. So as for the market, we believe it is the Apple moment for the 3D content the market. So right now with 19 million 3D creators and 2.6 billion potential users, which they don't have the creation ability, all they need is an easy to use tool. So as the AI 3D engine becomes the easy solution, we anticipate a surge increase in both creators and the 3D generated content. So it's just like what we have experienced for the video market expanding in the previous decade. So our business model is pretty simple and forward, and we provide subscription service to developers based on their team and the project size. And meanwhile, we charge our AI service fee based on the API requests, because our AI will keep powering the content after their initial launch, providing live game experience such like the dynamic story, ANPC interaction, and which all requires constant data process and the AI service. So for the Web3 ecosystem, OpenCoord goes beyond the production process. So our AI 3D engine is designed to be a blockchain native with modular compatibility for blockchain integration. We support like layer 1, layer 2 blockchains, token, smart contracts, NFT issuance, and assets marketplace assessment. So right now we are looking for more partners and the developers from Web3, infra, game, DeFi, and DAO partners, and reaching out to greater audience to grow the ecosystem. Yeah, and we greatly appreciate the opportunity to share our vision about AI Web3 3D production. And we are actively fundraising right now, and you can also check out and reach out us at opencoord.com. Thank you very much.